As a parent, you lie awake at night wondering,
Is my child being exposed to content that contradicts our values? Are they losing their Islamic identity? Is there a better way?
introducing Green Edtech, Pakistan's first Sharia-compliant online school system. Cambridge accredited programs from preschool to grade 12. World-class education that opens global opportunities. While mastering math and science, your child learns Quran with tajweed, Islamic history, and timeless values. Track everything in real time through our advanced learning management system. Learn anytime, anywhere. Plus, professional courses in Islamic banking and financing, web development, digital marketing, and graphic design, preparing them for global careers.
Green Edtech gave us exactly what we were searching for: quality education without compromising our faith. My daughter excels in Cambridge subjects and memorizes Quran. Alhamdulillah.
Watch your child transform into a confident student, strong in faith, excellent in academics, and ready for the future. And it's more affordable than traditional online schooling. Quality education shouldn't break the bank. Don't let another day pass wondering if there's a better way. There is, and it starts right here. Book your free demo class today. See the Green Edtech difference yourself. Green Edtech, your bridge between modern education and Islamic upbringing.